Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites so you avoid wasted effort. Check the game version and server region because spawn logic often differs. Next, open your map and enable any tracking overlays. Make sure you have a screenshot tool and active chat channels for reports. Set a clear time window of 30 to 60 minutes for this session and inform 1 or 2 teammates. Once done, you'll begin systematic sweeps using the route I describe next. You now execute a systematic search. Divide the map into labeled sectors and clear them one at a time to avoid overlap. On each sector, perform a 2-pass routine. First, do a quick visual sweep at high speed, then a slow close-range scan while interacting or using lures. This increases your chance to trigger hidden spawns. After any sighting, record the timestamp, coordinates, and server, and immediately post to your group chat so others can. You finish by verifying any candidate. Wait the full respawn timer and get confirmation from at least 2 observers so you rule out visual glitches. If the panda never appears, change tactics. Try a different time window, switch servers, or alter your sector pattern to catch alternative spawn logic. And if spawns behave oddly, relog and clear your cache. This often fixes local client desync. Make sure to test by locating a known NPC before resuming long searches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.